Have you ever thought of giving your kid a commission based on each task completed in the house rather than a weekly or monthly allowance? Hi, welcome to the Money Talk with Miriam. Today, I'm talking about redefining the well-known weekly or monthly allowance most of you got when you were little. If you have a twin or a teen at home, think of them as an adult in training. As parents, you want to prepare them for the time they leave the nest and start having their own bills. By then, you will want them to know how to earn money, create a budget, give, save, and spend wisely. But don't worry, you don't need to be a financial professor to teach them all this. The best way you can do that is showing by example. Here's actually an example of my own. When I was in elementary and middle school, my parents were giving me a weekly pay to spend on my own treats. But instead of giving me a fixed amount, my parents were giving me a commission based on each task that I completed in the house. Let's say I had 10 tasks to complete in a week. They would give me €1 for each task that I completed, making 10 if they were all done in time. On top of that, if all the tasks were accomplished throughout 3 consecutive weeks, I would then receive a €5 bonus, which really motivated me to be consistent on my responsibilities. I would love to hear how your parents granted your weekly or monthly pay and how you do it now as a parent. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about different ways to give your kids a solid financial foundation while having fun.